So as you see, once again, we're getting loaded up, y'all. We're getting ready to hit the water once again. I had a problem with the video. The feed just stopped, so I had to fix that. I'm sorry about that. But like I said, we're getting loaded up right now, so you guys just bear with me. So we got the rods, as y'all can see behind me. I got my trusty Dusty bait catcher, my cast net. You know, I always come with my cast net. That's how I catch my bait, and that's how I save my money. A tip: you don't want to go out and have to spend bait at the bait shop. Buy you some cast nets. They're gonna save you a lot of money. We got our refreshments in here, our drinks. And we're gonna move around here. Y'all just follow me. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day today. Excuse that little lean. Take you around here so you guys can get a better look. So as you can see, now you can't see, I'm sorry about that. But coolers, my tackle box bag, my canopy, all my rod holders are inside the car. So I'm gonna turn around this way so you guys can see. As you can see, like I said, all the rod holders are back there. The coolers back there, all my snacks and everything. We put that in the back. Now you guys are gonna get loaded up real quick. We'll get loaded up real quick. As you guys all know in the videos, it's my post some of y'all see. So we're gonna take, in order for everything to stay in place and where it's supposed to be, I'm trying to do this as quick as possible. I'm already on a couple minutes. You take this strap, and this is the cooler strap. Run the strap on this side. You make sure that this part is up and the strap is not tangled. Good to go on that. Close the trunk, and I make sure the strap is all the way to the back of the trunk. Then we close the trunk, like so. Come back to the side, make sure it's all the way in there, back. Get on that side. And you proceed to load up the coolers. Like so. That was like, I ran all the way up to the house. As you can see, make sure these two handles right here in the middle is up. Slide them on there like so. Take the hook in, the strap. Run it through like that. Come through the middle right here, the handles. Pull it up to this side. Then when you hook it, I always hook it towards the middle of the coolers. Never hook them on the outside because I found the problem that I've been having is when I do hook it up, I have a hard time getting the strap off. And this is an older strap, but that's how I do it. Get some of the slack out. Like I said, this is an older strap, so it makes it real difficult sometimes. Like I said, pain in the butt. So if you guys can see it, you want this ratchet kind of in the middle of your main cooler. You run your hooks or your ratchet strap through here. Only in the middle, not on the outside. Pull it tight as you can get it. Preferably as tight as you can get it, but not too tight, because then you have a problem with trunk of it coming up a little bit from the tension of the ratchet strap. But you just want to have it tight so these coolers don't go anywhere. But once I get ice in them too, they're really not that heavy. I mean, they're not the rocking. But with the strap and with the ice, once I fill them up, they ain't going nowhere. They never do. But I have had probably lost 2 coolers. Trial and error, but it sucked, but I get more coolers. Who knows? So we'll come around to this side. Put it back so you guys can see. Now, in order for me to keep these rods on here and not moving at all, you guys know I have 2 straps. And it just keep everything secure and it don't go anywhere. Like I said, these straps are old. I gotta get some new ones. But from the weather and the salt water, which salt water eats up every freaking thing I get. So, before I do anything, make sure it's straight. You don't want to twist it up. Trying to do this quick, as fast as I can, but you guys can see. You got it untwisted. You're gonna go under both tire fenders on both sides. Now, this one don't have to be that tight at first, because you're gonna slide the rods into the underneath the strap. So I have one that's already ratcheted down and it's tight, the broken one. So I don't even really jack with it at all. I just make sure it stays closed. Twist it up. Tricky thing about this ratchet strap, this one here, it always comes loose when I'm on the other side of the car. And it still managed to get twisted, and I untwisted it, so I don't know how. Well, whatever. Then we can get these bad looking rods over and get them loaded up. We go rod number one. And y'all already know I carry a lot of rods, like I said. There ain't no typical order how I put them on here. I just load them up. I started by putting one dead center, and as I'm putting that way, it lifts up the strap right here. And then once I got one in the middle, put the next one in, and I'll pull it all the way over. That way it makes it easy to put them in. Same thing on the other side. Slide them in right here, right beside this one. Pull the strap up. Put it all the way across. I keep doing this until I get them all on. Once again, like I said, there's no typical order how I put them on the car. But I do kind of like to spread them out a little bit once I put them on here. That way each rod has a little bit of space. Even when we're driving down the road and they're kind of flapping a little bit. But yeah, like I said, this is general how we ride. You guys already know how we ride, how we set everything up. But I'm gonna see you guys. I'm gonna cut this a little short, but you guys will see me in a minute. I'll be back once I get to the water. Right now, we're probably going to the beach. Not sure where. Just gonna do a little fishing for a little bit. Try to clear my head a little. Just so much crap that I'm trying to do and manage and put everything together piece by piece, little by little. But like I said earlier, this stuff ain't easy. With everything that I have going on and just doing what I gotta do, making the stuff happen, making the content for you guys happen, and also the charter stuff we got going on too. So, and a lot of other things, but just trying to make stuff happen. But like I said, I'll see you guys at the water. Peace. What's good with the YouTube? It's your boy Saltwater Assassin. So, we're gonna do a little bit of fishing right now. We are at the dike, not all the way down to the end, but a little bit. So, gonna do fishing in this bad weather. You know me, rain, sleet, or snow, I'm a fish, you guys. You know, try to put some fish on the camera for you guys. There is abundance of mosquitoes and bugs out here right now because of the rain. It's muggy right now. We got some more storms coming in, so you know, rain ain't gonna stop me from fishing. Y'all already know it, but if it's a storm, that's a different scenario. So once again, we're gonna try to stick out as long as possible, and hopefully, like I said, get some fish on the camera for you guys. But once again, I always appreciate the subscribers. I appreciate you guys very, very much. You guys are keeping me going, like I said, once again, and I'm not gonna stop. So stay tuned. You guys stick around, and we're gonna get some fish for you guys, hopefully. Peace. It's like we hooked up again. Let's see what we got. I don't know if you guys can hear me from this far back. Let's see what we got. Yep, we hooked up, y'all. Must be a little. Yeah. Well, that was a false alarm, but as you can see, he demolished my bait. So get on another bait and put it back on out. I'm back. Looks like we might be hooked up again. So let's see what we got. We missed him. We missed him, y'all. I usually don't miss fish, but as you can see, they are biting. And another one demolishes my bait again. So, rebait, get it on back out there. Bait choice, we got a little bit of everything. We got piggy perch, we got sand trout, we got my favorite bait of all, mullet. Several different sizes, and they're biting. I mean, I'm catching it with the cast net behind me. So, as you can see, what we're gonna do, how we hook them is, when they're finicky or the small fish, we double hook it. But I'm not gonna do that. So take my hook right behind the head, and so get it in there good. Their head is the toughest part on their body, so when you cast, it don't fly. It usually doesn't fly off. And you get it, hook it just like that, as so. As you can see, it's not gonna. As you can see, it's tough. It's not gonna fly off when you cast. Now, when they're finicky, like I said, we would double hook it. We'll turn this hook to the side, and we'll go through the body, but I'm not gonna do that. So you guys stay tuned. We'll get another one.